I'm Nancy Laffey from Completely Quilted, and this is section 7 of Tula Pink's Butterfly Block of the Month. You can see behind me how the butterfly wings are building through this quilt, and so for month 7 you're not going to have quite as many elements as we've had before, and they're all going to be repeats. So there's no new instruction for the curved piecing. It's going to be the same as in month 1's instructions, and I believe last month when we did the pie, it's going to be the same as those 2 blocks for your curved piecing. But you only have to make 2 of them. Then you're going to have some half square triangles, which we've also done that before, and your intersection blocks, which are just 2 colors this month. So you kind of get a break. You're just going to make a few blocks this month and get caught up if you need to for the rest of our block of the month. So this is section 7. So you can see how all of the fabrics are laid out with all of these really cool teals, and we'll be ready to go for the next section. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have fun, relaxing time making your section 7 blocks with all of the techniques that you've already learned.